So, action. This is for every motherfucking goddamn witness. Stay the fuck away from him. I literally caught him on surveillance camera sneaking to a goddamn 99-cent store and stole Hershey's candy bar. I need you to motherfucking explain to me why the fuck are you stealing Hershey's candy bar and you have a gun in your pocket? People who lost revenue because of you. I worked really hard on making money. I end up losing my job because of you. You are goddamn motherfucking shit! Motherfucking idiot! Hey!
Blow the speakers up! Blow the speakers up! Blow the speakers up!
Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I want to blow this son of a bitch right. Get the fuck out, motherfucker! Right now! RCA, blow that son of a bitch. You get your motherfucking
Get him up!
You son of a bitch, Phillips! You disrespecting RCA? Ass only, motherfucker!
Why did you do it?
What the?
You did it what?
You goddamn motherfucking bastard! Get him the fuck out of my house! Now!
Calm down, C10. I know what he did. Don't go nowhere. Have a seat. Have a seat and you ain't done. You have blowing speakers progress to go.
I wanna know why. Don't touch him, RCA. I wanna know why. I wanna know why. I wanna know why. I want to know why. Because my Sony receiver, my real Sony receiver, is going to come towards you and motherfucker blow your speakers out, and it's going to blow your voice cord and catch smoke and fire, motherfucker.
You're being turned down, Phillips C10.
I need a motherfucking explanation. Why are you keep doing this when you keep stealing shit?
You want
Why?
to tell Phillips C10 why? Tell
Why?
Phillips C10 what you
Please
did.
do. Because I'll add more bass and blow the voice cord so you can catch on fire to death. Right towards you. To RCA and Sony.
I just don't know what I'm going to do with you. You lied so much to Phillips and me. I saw that shit you stolen. And you going to lie to Phillips C10, right? Through my face and let Phillips going through with it?
I didn't lie.
Phillips C10 doesn't have enough power to buy speakers! And you lied to me. Why did you steal it? Why? You know that I'm going to beat you up by amusing you and play loud music with bass. I'm beating you up. You're not done yet. Don't turn the volume down. Put your volume up to the max right now! Keep it up. Keep it up. It's going to be worse if you turn the volume down. Keep the volume up. We've got one single song to go. Keep the volume up. Keep the volume up. And don't turn the volume down. One single music. Keep up the volume, you goddamn bitch. You got extra bass to blow your speakers. One more. You deserve to get blown.
Alright, let me just get this up and make myself very clear. I don't want you staying with us. I need you to get your shit and get the fuck out. And never ever gonna see you again, motherfucker. I'm not fucking playing with you. I'm not. I'm not playing. I'm dead. I'm dead serious. RCA, no more. You promised Phillips, no more. Ooh, I'm done with this piece of shit. You get your goddamn bag and you get the fuck right now. Get the fuck out. Be when I blow you. 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 Be when I blow you.
Do Rosie's voice impression. Do Rosie's voice impression! Turn with this shit. Where the fuck is Rosie's voice impression? Do Rosie's voice impression from the Rosie's Rules and say I apologize.
I'm very sorry.
Say I apologize, you bitch!
I apologize.
Stupid motherfucking pussy! Get the fuck out of my house, bitch!
Hold up, Sony. I'm not done. Get your shit and get the fuck out of here right now. If I ever see you again, motherfucker, next time I will blow your speakers.